Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. It's a chicken cooked in a pumpkin. So that's right, a chicken cooked inside a pumpkin. So this is a special dish, herbal chicken in a pumpkin. So let's get started. Wow! Look at that! Holy! Look at that! Look at the chicken. There's lots of flavor in there. It's got goji berries, got the Chinese herbs. It's got some ginseng. It's going to be a rich, tasty broth infused with the sidewall of the pumpkin. Some of this soup. So I'm actually scraping the bottom so I can get some of that. Oh, look at that! I got some of that pumpkin. I just scraped the bottom, right? I got a big chunk of pumpkin in there. And I got all the goji berries, all the herbs. Wow, that's really good. Ooh. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.